Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to see Instagram highlight viewers. Open your Instagram, then go to your profile. Now choose the highlight that you want to check. In my case, I just only have one, so I'll choose that. Now on the lower left part of your screen, you'll be able to tap the viewers of your story. Now please bear in mind that this is only applicable if you putted your story to your highlights 24 hours before it disappears. Because if you add your story to your highlights after 24 hours or after it disappears, you won't have an option to see the viewers of your highlight. And that's how to see Instagram highlight viewers. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching!